languages. And there's a lot of different languages, I think, in India, right? You have many different dialects.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we have, I can say, more than 800 languages are there in India currently.
Ah, how do
Yeah,
you
so
know them all? I mean, how do people communicate if there's so many different? Hi,
hello, hi.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm very good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Do you want to tell me a little bit about yourself, who you are, and where you're from?
Yeah, actually, my name is Anand,
Oh,
and I live in India.
okay.
Okay,
And mm-hmm, go ahead.
yeah. No, no, you go ahead.
Okay.
From
Would
which
you like
country are you?
say it again?
From which country are you?
I'm from America. I live in Greece with my husband.
Oh, nice.
Mhm. Yeah. So would you like to work on this lesson plan that you chose? It looks like you requested a lesson plan about family members.
Uh, no, we can talk about some other topic. Uh,
Oh, okay. So
yeah,
why don't you talk to me about your backgrounds, your family, your job, what you do, and some more background on you so I can hear your pronunciation and grammar.
okay. Yeah. Actually, I work in a retail company, retail industry. Yeah. Currently, I'm working in retail industry only. And about my family, I have parents. I stay with my parents, and I have one sister. She is a nurse actually, and she works in a hospital.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is your sister doing? Because I heard India is doing really bad
Yeah.
with the cases.
Yeah. Actually, here at my place, it is total lockdown
Yeah.
for 1 month. Yeah. So actually, I have been staying at home only since last 20 days.
Mm,
Yeah, that is actually quite hard to stay
yeah.
at home. Yeah, all the time.
Yeah. And what about your sister? What does she say it's like in the hospitals?
Yeah, no, actually, patients are means her hospital patients are keep coming every day. So all the hospital beds are really full all the
Yeah.
time. Yeah, some patients they need to keep on hold
Mm,
till till bed gets means released.
yeah, that's difficult. It's very tough. So,
Yes.
did they start vaccinations yet, or are they still working on that?
No, actually, vaccination has started
Okay.
uh, since last month only,
Oh,
but they have started it for above for the ages of above 65. Yeah,
65. Okay.
yeah. But recently they have started for the people who are above 45. Yeah. So currently vaccinations are going on, but yeah, but still the situation is really bad
Uh,
compared to last year.
yeah, it's very,
Cases are day by day increasing.
yeah. So, have you been working from home the past year, or only recently did you start working from home?
No, actually, we had started our operations. We had started our work, but since last 20 days, I have been working from home only
Oh,
because yeah. Actually, I saw your introduction, introductory that message that you work as a journalist, right?
yes, I worked as a journalist before. Sometimes I still write, but not
Okay,
that often. Hmm.
okay. So, means, can you just tell me about your generalist? Means, are you interested into that, or means, are you currently doing that, or have you left your?
I was a former journalist, so I no
Okay,
longer do that. I teach English online, but I still
okay.
sometimes write as well. What about you? Do you like journalism?
No, but I like to watch news. I frequently watch news. Yeah,
Okay.
so it is like Not interest, but I like to watch news.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you read the English news at all, or just Indian
Uh,
news do you like?
no, no, no. Actually, I read. Means I watch both news, like news in the sense television news.
Okay.
Yeah, I watch television news. So I like to watch both the news, like in my regional language also, and about of English also.
Ah, okay. Gotcha. And
Yes.
okay. And what do you like to do for fun? What are some of your hobbies?
Hobbies. Actually, I have my own YouTube channel, but it is not like more subscribers are there. But yeah, I work some time on my YouTube channel, and apart from that, I learn English. I practice English.
Okay.
Yeah, I watch conversation videos, or yeah, or sometimes I meet friends in the my in my pastime.
Okay. And what is
Yeah.
your YouTube channel about?
Yeah, actually, it is about information only,
Okay.
informational based videos I post. So I think around 14 videos I have posted till now. Yeah. So it is related to my work also, and some general videos also I have posted for like motivational videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what did you go to school for?
I sorry, I did not get your question.
What did you go to school for? What was your degrees in?
Okay, okay. Actually, I possess management degree. Uh, After my graduation, I have completed my post graduation degree, which is in management field. Yeah. So currently, I have completed my studies, but I further want to do my PhD also. Yeah. So I'm preparing for that.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Hmm.
And talk to me about what are some things that you like to do before coronavirus? Do you like to travel? Did you go out with your family anywhere?
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I like to travel around the places. So
Okay.
yeah, it is my, you can say, my hobby, because my work also my work's nature is like I have to travel
Mm,
to a lot of other places also, because I work for that place also. So my, yeah, so it is like hobby to me to meet new people,
mm,
to, yeah, go to new places. Yeah,
mm,
I like to know the, actually I like to travel different locations, like to understand their culture, like to understand their accent, how they
mm.
speak,
Okay.
uh, because every every region's people think different, behave different, speak different. So it is like good fun.
Yeah, that's very true. What's the most difficult part about learning new languages?
New language.
Mm-hmm.
uh, Actually, if you want to learn new language, new language, the
Mm-hmm.
people who speak that language, if they are around you, it is like quite easy to get the things, or to learn new language.
Mm,
Yeah, if they are not around, and you hardly get to speak that language in your day to day conversation or a day to day life, so it is like becoming very difficult.
mm.
Yeah, actually uh, I had been staying at one place. Actually, it is in India only, but it is different region. So I did not know the language there. When I
Okay.
first went there, I stayed there for 2 years actually,
Oh.
and I did not know anything about that language.
Hmm.
Even I went there for the first time, but a lot of difficulties I got when I first initially went there. But
Mhm.
all the people were talking that language only. So over the period of 2 months, I started to understand the things,
Good.
whatever people are saying around me. I was able to understand, and I was I was trying to speak their language, but it was difficult for me. But still, I managed because it was completely new for me actually. But
Hmm.
yeah, it is like, yeah,
That's good, though. That's good that you are learning new languages. And there's a lot of different languages, I think, in India, right? You have many different dialects.
yeah. Actually, we have I can say more than 800 languages are there in India currently.
Ah, how
Yeah,
do you
so
know them all? I mean, how do people communicate if there's so many different
mm,
languages?
yeah, no, actually, there are different regions. Regions, you can say states. We have different states. So if
Mhm,
I, for example, I stay in Maharashtra state, so my mother tongue is Marathi. My regional language is Marathi.
mhm,
So, yeah, so everybody, majority of people in Maharashtra speaks Marathi language. If you
mhm,
go to other state, the regional language is different. So I know one language is Hindi. It is considered to be our national language. So everybody communicate in that language. Means, I know that language and my regional language, Marathi. I know two languages. But apart from that, we understand majority of languages. It can't speak, but understand.
wow,
Yeah, it is like
that's incredible. When did you first start learning English?
English. Actually, till my 10th class, I had studied in my regional language only. But
Okay.
after my 10th, I moved to English medium studies from the class of 11.
Hmm.
So my from then till my degree, post graduation degree, I studied whole in English language only. My curriculum was in English language.
Okay.
So from that time, I have been speaking. I have been learning, or I have been studying in English, but uh, could not get most of the time to practice my English. So
Mm.
recently, I thought that I would like improve my fluency and my command over English, so that it will be beneficial for me in my professional as well as my study if I want to pursue any further studies. So
Gotcha.
that's why. So that is the reason I started practicing again.
Okay, very good. Does your family speak English as well, or are you the only one in your family that speaks English?
No, actually, my family we talk in our regional language only.
Okay.
Yeah, not English. So I am the only person in my family who speaks English. But
Mm,
there are very few people here where I can practice English with. So that's why, yeah, Cambly is a good platform actually.
gotcha. Okay. And is
Yeah.
Cambly the only platform that you use, or do you use other ones as well too?
No, no. Currently, I'm using this only. But
Okay.
apart from that, I regularly watch conversation videos. I observe the sentences in
Mm,
conversation. So it is like, yeah, observation helped me a lot.
yeah,
Uh, by means I have improved my English because I observe a lot.
that's good.
It
That's good.
it helped.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
where do you want to keep improving your English?
Yeah. Can you please come again?
Sure. Where, in which area would you like to keep improving your English?
Um, actually, I get some. Means I want to improve my fluency. Sometimes I get stuck with is the feeling or the the thing, my thoughts when I articulate or when I communicate to people. So
Okay.
there are a lot of times, a lot of not. There are times when I get difficulties. So the message that I want to express,
Mm-hmm.
it is like limited due to my English limitations.
Yeah.
So whatever I want to express, it is like it can't be like I cannot express it by 100%. it is like my message is limited due to my English
Mm,
sentences sometimes. But yeah, but that's why I practice. I just want to express myself in English as my regional language. Whatever I want to say, I should say that in a proper detail. So this is my aim for practicing English.
gotcha. Okay. And what do you do? Do you have like maybe exercises that you can do